In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Popup Overlay Modal in Figma. Start by opening your design. Make sure you are on the frame or screen where the pop-up should be triggered. Like a product page or a settings screen, keep everything tidy so you can focus on the interaction. Next, design your pop-up UI on the canvas, separate from your main screen. Create it as its own frame so it's easy to connect in prototype mode. Give it a clear background, padding, and rounded corners if you like. Add content like a title, a short message, and buttons for actions such as confirm or cancel. A subtle shadow can help it feel elevated. Naming the frame something like Modal Confirm will make it easy to find later. Keeping it off to the side of your main design helps you see both pieces at once. When the layout looks good, switch to the Prototype tab in the right-hand panel. This is where you'll wire up the interaction. If you don't see the prototyping options, make sure you have an element selected. Select the button on your main screen that will trigger the modal. You'll see a small circular node appear on its right edge. Click that node and drag the connector to your modal frame. This creates the interaction link between the trigger and the pop-up. Configure the interaction so it behaves like a real overlay. For the trigger, choose on click for desktop or on tap for mobile. For the action, pick Open Overlay. This tells Figma to place your modal on top of the current screen rather than navigating away. For the position, choose Centered, so the pop-up appears right in the middle of the screen and feels intentional. To make the experience feel polished, add an animation. Dissolve is a subtle professional fade that suits most use cases, while Move-In can add a bit more energy. Like sliding up from the bottom. Pick the one that matches your brand's tone. When you are done, click Preview, using the present button to test it. Interact with the trigger button and watch the overlay appear. If something doesn't look right, double-check that the link points to the correct modal frame and that the interaction settings match what you intended. That's it. Thanks for watching.